How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super neat 57 Bel Air two-door post. It's painted a slick garnet red. Beautiful color. It's got black interior. You can see all the chrome on this car has been replaced. It's just super nice. Paint works nice and flat, nice and straight down the sides. It's a nice, cruising, fun car. It's got the period correct type Kreger wheels on it. Tell you, all the side trim, everything on this car looks really nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Car's got nice paint on it. Seems to be a real good, solid car. It's nice underneath. It's been updated with the power disc brakes in the front. It's got all painless wiring throughout. It's been updated with the 2-speed electric wipers. It's got a nice running 350 in it with a 350 trans. Just a really nice, fun cruise car. Go to your cruise nights, go to your local shows, just have a real good time. It's a solid car, guys. The jams are nice. It's got a black diamond tuck interior in it. Headliner looks real nice. They updated it with a set of bucket seats up front. It's got a B&M shifter in it. The jams look good. Trunk's nice and clean in the car. I tell you, I like the diamond tuck in it. It's different. Got nice trio gauges there under the dash. It's got a Lokar pedal, gas pedal assembly in it. Did a little side bolster on the seats. Again, it's a 350. It's got a Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. It's got electric choke. It's got a nice Flowmaster dual exhaust. The thing just purrs like a kitten. Lights, wipers, everything works on the car nice. Nice having that painless wire harness in the car. Sounds good out the back. Got nice stainless tips on it. little cold out here today. It's up to about 27, 28 degrees out here, so you have to bear with us. A little condensation on the exhaust. But I tell you, super nice car, guys. Just get in this car, drive it anywhere you want to go. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.